Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I want to give you guys a quick Black Financial report on the Black Financial Channel. Hertz is trying to issue more stock to the market, largely because the company's stock price has shot up tremendously in an inexplicable way. A lot of experts are basically saying they didn't know that people were stupid enough to buy stock that would pretty much be worthless in a bankruptcy proceeding. And the reason for this is because when a company goes bankrupt, there's a hierarchy and an order in which people get paid. And the creditors and the bankers and those who own the bonds are the ones who are going to get paid before the stockholders do. Stockholders get what they call a residual payment. So effectively, if you own stock in this company, there's a good chance, a very high probability that your stock will just end up being worthless. So the regulators are not really sure about what's going on. And Hertz basically said, or their creditor said to the bankruptcy judge, hey, look, we'd like to issue some more stock. And basically they said it because they're like, we got these suckers out here that will buy, these shares, even though they're pretty much worthless, and buy them in hopes that maybe they're going to rebound. So since we got all these suckers out here that will buy pretty worthless stock, we want to take advantage of that. So right now the regulators are trying to figure out if they actually want to sell the stock, allow them to sell the stock, because then the investment bank gets involved and they have to push the stock toward the potential customer. And it becomes one of those things where financial ignorance becomes something where people feel like I'm free to do what I want. I can buy whatever I want. So they want these freedoms and liberties. But then later on, somebody comes back and says, well, you should have told me that the stock was worthless because I'm just stupid. I'm not a smart investor. I didn't know what was going on. That's what you call an uninformed investor. So uninformed investors are the ones who would buy Hertz stock. And so I think what's probably going to happen is there might be a warning where they just say, look, we're going to warn you that this is a pretty worthless asset. You could buy it if you want to, buy at your own risk. But don't come back later and try to sue us and say that we somehow tricked you into doing something that you chose to do. So right now, that's the dilemma with Hertz. I like Hertz as a company. I mean, Hertz is a great, I buy, rental cars from Hertz or whatever, but for some reason their financials are off and they're in bankruptcy court right now. They're probably going to survive, but they're not going to be some great company that's going to be making huge profits that can be distributed out to investors. So my recommendation is that you stay away from Hertz stock. And if you buy it, just know you're really in a weird speculation game where you're hoping that there's a bigger sucker, that there's a bigger fool out there that'll pay more for the stock than you paid. So just be careful with Hertz stock, because right now Hertz is just not a place to put your money. So anyway, that's my 2 cents. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm thinking. I'm out of here, guys. Make sure you subscribe at theblackfinancialchannel.com, that's theblackfinancialchannel.com. And also go check us out at the Black Business School, theblackbusinessschool.com, if you want to learn a little bit more about financial literacy, wealth building, anything you want to know. So hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe button. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.